from the Austin-San Antonio area.
Please listen to the alert from Poison Control Center. This is not a test. The Poison Control Center found poison inside food that is related to Thanksgiving food and some normal food. We advise and we mean to do not eat the food that you think is related to Thanksgiving. The following is inside the food: uranium black mold, asbestos, acid like human acid, dead mouse, dead rat, dead possums and dead mice. We will return you to regular programming now.